Yes, good morning, class. I'm Madam Joy, and we are going to discuss the human anatomy on our topic, the skeletal system. The infographic shown here is the skeletal system of a human being. You can see it's from the skull to the bones. Basically, the structure of a human being is made up of the skeletal system, and the skeletal system is a complex and vital part of human anatomy. It is made up of bones, cartilage, ligaments, tendons, which work together to provide support, protection, movement, and the production of the blood cells. The functions of the skeletal system: one is to provide structural support, giving shape and form to the body. Secondly, bones protect vital organs. For example, the skull protects the brain, and the rib cage protects the heart and the lungs. Additionally, the skeletal system enables movement by acting as an attachment site for muscles and facilitating the leverage required for locomotion. Another function is stores the minerals such as calcium and phosphorus, which can be released into the bloodstream when needed. And finally, bone marrow within the bones is responsible for production of blood cells. And then let's discuss the joints, which forms one of the vital parts of the skeletal system. And joints are the points where bones come together. They allow for movement and come in different types, including we have the hinge joints, the ball and socket joints, pivot joints, and the gliding joints. The structure and the function of each joint determine the range of the movement it permits. Another vital part is the cartilage. Cartilage is a flexible connective tissue found in various parts of the body, such as the joints, ears, and nose. It acts as a shock absorber and reduces friction between bones in a joint. The smooth, elastic cartilage also provides support and maintains the shape of certain structures like the external ear and the tip of the nose. Another vital part is the ligament and the tendons. Ligaments are tough, fibrous connective tissues that connect bones to other bones, providing stability to joints. They help prevent excessive movement or dislocation. Tendons, on the other hand, connect muscle to muscle, transmitting the force generated by the muscle contraction to produce movement. And the last part on the skeletal system is the bone growth and remolding. The skeletal system undergoes growth and remolding through the life. During childhood and adolescence, bones grow in length and width through a process called ossification, where new bone tissue is formed at the new growth plates. This process continues until a person reaches a skeletal majority. Bone remolding, on the other hand, occurs throughout life and involves the removal of the old cells in the bones. Yes, that was our summary on the topic of the skeletal system. And thank you for being attentive.